Avocado, a superfood that will transform your life. Why is avocado in the spotlight? You've probably seen avocado in countless scenarios, whether on breakfast boards, vibrant smoothies, or even exquisite desserts. What you may not know is that this creamy and versatile fruit is much more than just a culinary trend. It is considered a superfood, packed with health benefits, fascinating stories, and unexpected uses that can transform your diet and personal care routine. Get ready to explore everything avocado has to offer. What makes avocado a superfood? Avocado is often regarded as one of the most nutritionally complete foods. It is rich in healthy fats, mainly oleic acid, the same type of fat found in olive oil. These fats help reduce bad cholesterol LDL and increase good cholesterol HDL, promoting heart health. Fiber. Essential for good digestive health, fiber also helps control appetite by providing greater satiety. Vitamins and minerals. Includes vitamins K, E, C, and B complex, as well as potassium, which is more abundant in avocado than in bananas. Antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which play a crucial role in protecting eye health. Phytosterols. These compounds contribute to reducing inflammation and supporting joint health, making avocados an excellent choice for people with arthritis. Fun fact: did you know that avocados were called green gold by the Aztecs? They believed the fruit had aphrodisiac properties and also used it as a form of currency. Health benefits. 1. Cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of avocado is associated with a lower risk of heart disease. Studies show it can help reduce blood triglyceride levels, improve blood pressure, and combat chronic inflammation affecting the cardiovascular system. Avocado also contains beta-sitosterol, a plant sterol that contributes to maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Additionally, the potassium in avocado helps balance sodium levels in the body, reducing water retention and supporting a healthy blood pressure range. 2. Weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, avocado is a great ally for those looking to lose weight or maintain a balanced diet. Its combination of healthy fats and fiber prolongs the feeling of fullness, reducing overeating. Avocado's low glycemic index also prevents sudden spikes in blood sugar, making it ideal for those managing diabetes or pre-diabetic conditions. 3. Radiant skin. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant found in avocado, helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, avocado oil is widely used in beauty products for its moisturizing and regenerative properties. The fruit is also rich in vitamin C, which aids collagen production, giving skin a firm and youthful appearance. Avocado can also be used as a natural face mask. Mixing mashed avocado with honey and yogurt creates a hydrating mask that soothes dry and irritated skin. 4. Stronger bones. Vitamin K, also found in good quantities in avocado, is essential for calcium absorption in the body, contributing to strong and healthy bones. Pairing avocado with calcium-rich foods, like dairy or leafy greens, can amplify these benefits. Magnesium present in avocado also plays a role in bone mineralization and overall skeletal health. 5. Brain benefits. The monounsaturated fats in avocado help preserve memory and improve cognitive function. This makes the fruit an excellent option for students, professionals, and anyone looking to keep their mind sharp. Avocado also contains folate, which plays a role in reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Avocado is also a source of choline, a nutrient important for neurotransmitter production, which supports mood and cognitive health. 6. Improved digestion. The high fiber content in avocados supports healthy digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. This can lead to better nutrient absorption and a stronger immune system. Fun fact: in Japan, avocado is known as the butter of the forest because of its incredibly creamy texture. How to choose and store the perfect avocado? The right choice. Gently press the fruit. A ripe avocado should yield slightly to the touch, but not feel too soft. If the avocado is unripe, it will be firm, but it can still ripen at home. Ripening tip: place the avocado in a paper bag along with a banana or apple. The ethylene released by these fruits speeds up the ripening process. Store ripe avocados in the refrigerator to extend their shelf life by a few days. Avoid browning. After cutting an avocado, spread lemon juice or vinegar over the surface to prevent it from browning quickly due to oxidation. Another method is to store the cut avocado with the seed intact and wrap it tightly in plastic wrap. Fun fact: in the United States, the most popular variety is Hass, known for its rough skin and concentrated flavor. In Brazil, the Margarita variety is widely consumed and has smoother skin. Culinary uses and easy recipes. Classic guacamole. This Mexican delicacy is one of the most popular ways to enjoy avocado. Mix the pulp with lime, salt, garlic, onion, and cilantro for a delicious snack. For a spicy kick, add diced jalapenos or a pinch of chili powder. Green smoothie. Combine avocado, spinach, banana, plant-based milk, and a touch of honey to create a nutrient-rich smoothie. Add chia seeds or protein powder for an extra boost. Sweet avocado cream. In Brazil, it's common to enjoy avocado with sugar and lime as a dessert. It's a simple and delicious option. For a more indulgent treat, blend avocado with condensed milk and serve chilled. Oil or butter substitute. Avocado pulp can replace oil or butter in recipes for cakes and breads, making the dishes healthier. For example, swap half the butter in a brownie recipe with mashed avocado to reduce saturated fat while maintaining a rich texture. Avocado fries. Cut avocado into wedges, coat with breadcrumbs, and bake for a crispy and healthy snack. Fun fact: avocado toasts have become a global craze in cafes. Topped with eggs, tomatoes, or feta cheese, they are a balanced and stylish option. Adding microgreens or smoked salmon can elevate this simple dish. Little-known facts about avocado. Avocado is technically a berry, not a fruit. The avocado tree can live for over 400 years. During World War II, American soldiers used avocado as a butter substitute in sandwiches. Over 2 billion pounds of avocado are consumed annually in the United States alone. Avocado pits have been used to create natural dyes for fabrics, producing beautiful shades of pink and peach. The leaves of the avocado tree are used in traditional medicine in some cultures to treat digestive issues and inflammation. In the 16th century, European explorers were fascinated by avocado and introduced it to the Old World, where it quickly became a symbol of luxury. Precautions when consuming avocado. While avocado is incredibly healthy, it's important to consume it in moderation due to its high calorie content. A 100-gram serving contains approximately 160 calories. People allergic to latex should also exercise caution, as they may experience cross-reactions when consuming the fruit. For those on blood-thinning medications, it's worth noting that avocado's high vitamin K content may interfere with the effects of these drugs. Consult a healthcare professional if unsure. Excessive avocado consumption can also lead to gastrointestinal discomfort due to its high fiber content, especially for individuals not accustomed to fiber-rich diets. Fun fact: the avocado seed is rich in antioxidants and can be used in tea recipes or ground as a dietary supplement, although its use is still being further studied. Conclusion: add avocado to your routine now. Now that you know all the benefits, curiosities, and ways to use avocado, why not incorporate it into your routine? Whether in sweet dishes, savory meals, or beauty care, this fruit is incredibly versatile and healthy. Experiment with new recipes, try different varieties, and explore the ways avocado can enhance your lifestyle. Next time you visit the market, pick up some avocados and unlock their full potential. Your health, taste buds, and well-being will thank you.